Stop pushing, start engaging.
The evolution of communication put the targeted audience member and not the hungry marketer in the role of decision maker. If we wanted someone's attention, we finally figured out
to just push our messages to our intendeds without giving any thought as to whether or not they really wanted to hear what we had to say was sure to ruin a relationship.
But has this evolution now come full circle with mobile devices and mobile apps? In mobile marketing, is push making a comeback?
It's pretty clear that mobile apps are today's equivalent of yesterday's you gotta have a website.
Send them coupons and incentives and special deals.
Push used to be sales, now it's service.
the key to giving them what they want is to not abuse their trust and their permission with push marketing that turns them off.
Make what you have to offer not product pushes but community service that's worth their time and makes a positive difference for them.